Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Now I'm going to be sharing some dinner ideas with you. The first one is the obvious, and that is tacos. And when I make tacos, after I brown my ground beef and add the taco seasoning, I go ahead and put it into my taco shells with the cheese, and I warm my shells up in the oven already loaded. And that way the cheese can melt and it kind of holds everything together, and it's a little less messy when you eat it. And then we're just going to simply top these tacos off with some sour cream, guacamole, and some salsa. And yes, I'm still using those taco plates that I purchased on Amazon. Now on this particular night, we made out because my father-in-law brought us prime rib. And we're celebrating New Year's here, so we're having prime rib. I've got a ton of baked potatoes in my crock pot, and this is going to be delicious. There's my plate and my potato all loaded. I will say that we had 1 or 2 steaks left over, and I don't waste, so I chopped it up, mixed it the next night with some grilled chicken, some onions, and some peppers, fajita seasoning, and we had some homemade fajitas, and they were outstanding. Now it's time for a little Italian. So this is 1 pound of ground beef and a package of hot Italian sausage, 2 jars of ragu with a lot of seasonings like garlic and basil, Italian seasoning, just anything that I could find in the cabinet. And I'm boiling along some regular spaghetti noodles, and in the oven I've just got some simple garlic bread browning up. And I just made it with butter and garlic salt and just white bread. Here's my plate, and I will tell you there was no leftovers. That spaghetti was outstanding. Another simple meal idea is my salmon patties or cakes, whatever you prefer, and they are easy to grill up, and I did a large pan of homemade mac and cheese in the oven. Tasty and filling. Now I've had some very simple hamburger patties pre-made. I am sizzling those away in the pan, and I've got some French fries in the oven. And for me, I just like a burger and fries with no bun and a little bit of ketchup, and that just hit the spot. Now lastly, I'm going to show you that I made some, basically it's taco chili. You can make it super spicy or not spicy. We like our spicy. And it hit the spot this evening, and it was delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this inspired and gave you some meal ideas. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because there's more food to be shown in later upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.